this is John the Super Taster. Today I am in Kapa'a, Kauai, Hawaii, okay? So there I am in the city of Waipouli. There is a restaurant called the Waipouli Delicatessen and Restaurant, and it's known for its breakfast food, but also for being very good. I got an Oriental plate, so that was chicken. This is shrimp tempura. Oh my gosh, that's good. Steak. Oh my gosh, that's amazing steak. I was expecting it to be like good steak. White rice and fried noodles. All for $22, which for here is a great price. For this huge plate. And I've got to say, this chicken is amazing. The shrimp, the steak is one of the best steaks I've had in my life. Just in that one taste, I can tell you that. The shrimp is very good. I eat shrimp a lot, so I wouldn't say it's the best shrimp I've ever had, but it ranks up there. The noodles are very good. I'm gonna eat them all. Honestly, 5 out of 5 stars, 10 out of 10 stars. Amazing. Even the tartar sauce dip here is unique. It's sweet as well. Amazing. If you come to Kauai and go to the region of Kapa'a, stop here